Welcome back to class. Today we'll be doing a DIY. What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another DIY. What? And this time I got a sewing machine. I don't gotta hand stitch anymore. So today I'm going to be doing a chain DIY. This is actually a trend that I've seen on Instagram. It's actually where like you lace your pants up with a chain, and I actually got from Michael's. I go to Michael's and Joann's, but I can never, it's all the same thing. But I got a chain, comes in this little packet, and I wanted to get a heavy duty one because it's gonna go in a pair of jeans, and I want it to actually hold the jeans. I don't get anything like tiny or thin. The eyelets to lace the chain into. Cute little lobster claws. I don't know if you can see that, but just the rhinestone. So like if I want to unclip and take off my pants, that's what I use. Let's get into the video. But before we get into the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see next. So first you want to get a pair of jeans, any pair of jeans that you want to lace up. I couldn't fit these, so I decided to make them bigger by lacing them up. So you just want to cut down the side of the pants on the hem. And now I'm just going to measure across the jeans to make sure it's even on both sides. And I'm just going to grab a marker just to make a little dot and mark that. Then you want to cut down the hem of the jean to the dot that you marked. Now I'm going to measure from the top of the jean down to the cut that I made on both sides to make sure it's even and make necessary cuts. You don't have to do this part, but if you can see from my last video, I didn't try the DIY on and it didn't come out how I wanted it. So this time I'm just going to try them on and make sure they're cut to where I want them. I am a strong believer in hemming, so I'm just going to fold each side down and hem them on my sewing machine. As you can see, we have a nice clean side that is hemmed. And then we have the other side that has not been hemmed. You can tell the difference. Now, I marked my jeans where I want to put the eyelets, and I'm just going to measure across to make sure they're even on both sides. As you can see on the eyelets, there is a tubular side and a flat side. You want to put the tubular side in first through the fabric, and then you want to put the flat side on top. Now you want to get a pair of scissors and poke the hole that you marked for the eyelets. These eyelets are a little bit larger, so you might have to cut to make the hole bigger. directions came on the back of my eyelet packet, so I'm just going to follow those. As you can see, all my eyelets are in and I created a zigzag pattern for the chain.
It was at this moment that he knew.
I just realized that it's 1 a.m. I'm going to finish this in the morning. I bought a pair of split rings so I can hook it to my starting point of the jean so it'll attach the chain. Now I'm going to hook the split ring to the chain and then the chain to the jean. As I said before, I made the eyelets in a zigzag pattern, so now I'm just going to chain that up. And the last eyelet, you are not going to chain it. This is where we add the lobster claw, and we are going to use another ring clip to connect those. Now you'll be able to hook and unhook as you please. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Everything's all chained up. Now let's try them on. I actually ended up adding another eyelet because it was too spaced out when I chained it up. As you can see, the extra chain hanging down, I might be fat one day and skinny the next, and I might need to move the lobster claw, so I'm just going to tuck it to the side. If you feel comfortable snapping off the extra chain, you can also do that. Alright guys, that's the end of this DIY. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what you want to see next, and smash that like button.